Click on the link below to get price. The Canon EF 70-200mm f/2. 8L IS III USM lens is a stellar addition to any photographer's arsenal, particularly for those specializing in portrait, wedding, or sports photography. This lens comes with a reputation for delivering exceptional image quality and performance, and it certainly lives up to its legacy. One of the standout features of this lens is its remarkable sharpness across the entire zoom range. Whether shooting wide open at f/2.8 or stopping down, images maintain a crispness that is impressive, with minimal distortion. The lens also boasts excellent color rendition and contrast, which are critical for achieving professional quality results. The bokeh is incredibly smooth, making it perfect for isolating subjects against beautifully blurred backgrounds. The build quality is typical of Canon's L series lenses. It feels robust and is weather-sealed, allowing for use in various conditions without worrying about dust or moisture. The lens is slightly heavier than its competitors, but this is a small trade-off for its durability and performance. The focus is fast and accurate thanks to the ring-type ultrasonic motor, USM, ensuring that even fast-moving subjects are captured with precision. The included filter kit adds extra value to this product. UV filters can protect the lens and enhance image quality in harsh sunlight, while polarizers can reduce reflections and improve saturation. These filters expand the lens's versatility, making it a great investment for outdoor and landscape photographers. If there's a downside, it might be the price point, which is higher than average. However, the investment is justified by the lens's exceptional performance and reliability. In summary, the Canon EF 70-200mm f/2. 8L IS III USM lens, paired with the filter kit, is a fantastic choice for photographers who demand outstanding quality and versatility in their gear. It's a masterpiece that empowers creativity, making it a must-have for serious photographers.